Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Recorder app, and if you never used it before, selecting Allow in all pop-ups. Now to start your recording, click on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to delete it right away, click on this X on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to end it and save it, select the square on the left. Then name your recording however you wish to, and save it by choosing OK. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to access the list of your recordings from main screen, click on this right button with 3 lines. To play one of your recordings, click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to hold it instead and click on Delete option at the top. Following that, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!